Hi, welcome to the Ham Radio Tips YouTube channel. How to confirm satellite contacts on QRZ. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so here's my QRZ page. And I'm just going to do a search. And the first person I worked tonight was Papa Delta 1 Bravo. So we're just going to search for Bert. I know he's Bert because I've worked him before. I'm going to log a new contact with PD1B, which is here, and this brings up the contact page. Now, start and end time, it's the 17th of February today, and I worked Bert at 18:59 until 1900, 1 minute. Satellite QSOs are really fast. I'm just going to put in 18:59 to 1900. Now, frequency. My last contact was a satellite contact, so it's auto-filled. When we're logging satellite contacts, log the center frequency of the transponder. Okay, I know it's Doppler shift and it's moving up and down. You could be anywhere on that linear transponder, but we stick to the center frequencies because it makes it easier. So 145965 SSB, I got and received a 59. Down here is the satellite name, and there's a big long list. I can scroll down, and I'm going to go to RS44, and the mode is also going to be SSB, which is the last one used. Now, that's literally all you need to log for a satellite contact. You have to log the band that you transmit on. The receive one doesn't really matter. You can put it in if you want. Log split, there it is. And if you open that up, it gives you band 2, and you can put in the receive frequency in there, but we don't tend to use it. You don't need it. And that's pretty much it. That will log us on satellite. So it doesn't actually matter what you put in for the receive band, because it's not a 70 SEMS QSO. RS44 is 70 SEMS downlink, 2 meter uplink, and whatever you transmit on is where it will be logged. And satellite, because there's 2 bands involved, it can be quite confusing, and you don't get that many gold stars, that's how we say. And it's the same for DMR. Like if you were using the HubNet network on digital, you very rarely get a digital contact confirmed. There's many ways into the HubNet network: 4 meters, 2 meters, 70 SEMS. Unless 2 bands match, you know, you're both on 70 SEMS or both using 2 meters, you'll never get your confirmation. So the band's got to match. And that's why we only log the uplink on the satellites. And if you do that, you should get the contact. So all I've got to do then is save that record. And there's PD1B 145965. As you can see, one I did yesterday. John Luke has logged the same, and I've managed to get a gold star. Now, I'll just have a look at my page. One thing you can do to help yourself get more on QRZ, more confirmations for satellite work, is put your login information at the top of your page. As you can see here, I've got login information for my station. I logged to QRZ straight away. No longer than the end of a pass for satellite ops. Please log back. And there's login information there for QO100. Keep it simple. Enter the uplink. Enter the downlink. They're standard frequencies, 2400. It won't be the exact frequency you're transmitting on, but it is the 13 centimeter band, and 10489 is the band it receives on, which is 3 centimeters. But technically you only need to log the uplink, and that's all I do on QRZ. I'll just log the uplink. And for LEO satellites, use the center frequency of the transponder, 145990, 437800 for ISS. You don't need the 437800 if you don't want it. Just log the uplink. And the same for RS44. JO97, there's 70 SEMS uplink. So that would come out as a 70 SEMS QSO, but again, you only need the uplink. That's all you need. And this text here, I will copy and paste it into the comments section below this video. Okay, so you can have a look and copy and paste it into your own QRZ. And the more people read it and the more people see it, hopefully the more contacts you'll get, and the more everybody will understand how satellite QSOs are logged on QRZ. Okay, so that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this little look at logging stations on QRZ for satellite. It can be a bit confusing, but just stick to that uplink and you'll be fine. 73s, and I'll catch you soon.